Hi friends, this is Enrique76. This is another unboxing review. This is for mini wire cover. Bestong brand. You can hide it one small cord. Use it for TV, cord, lamp, speaker or phone cable for home or office. This kit coming with 10 channels and 10 form tapes. Just right here. It's easy to install it. You can cut or painting over. You can hide in your cables. You have 142 inches long to cover. You can glue it like this. Click in the link below. Thank you for your support. Enrique76. Thank you friends. See you in another video.